My name is Jody Fishman, and I'm a mom of 3 and the Chief Content Officer for Bright by Text. Today, I'm going to share 5 tips for helping your kids thrive and excel in school. So, parents, make sure that your kids are getting a good night's sleep. Make sure they're getting nutritious food, especially eating breakfast before school. And many schools provide breakfast and lunch for families in need. Make sure that your kids are getting enough exercise. Even when it's cold outside, get them outside, even if it's just for a walk and some fresh air. And parents, check in on your kids. If you're worried about their mental health, you can start by calling your child's healthcare provider or talking to your kid's school counselor. If your child's not healthy, they're not ready to succeed in school. And parents, keep it up. Parenting is the hardest job you'll have, and it's the most important work you're doing. You've got this.